Hello. What's up?
It's good with the STI.
Give me some info on this thing and we'll see what we can work out.
Original owner. Drove it for about 23,000 miles with absolutely no issues. I put the turbo on and all the, the bolt-ons. Got it E-tuned, and I think the E-tuning was dirty because I had good oil, good AFRs, all this shit. And I got a rod knob on the way to work. And then I just let it sit, like, right about 3,000 RPM, you start to hear it kick in.
Yeah.
I got quoted for, getting the work done, and to be honest, dude, I'm kind of just over Supers. I want to get something else.
I feel it. Cool. Car looks pretty clean, yeah?
Dude, I'm telling you, it's everything somebody would want. It's just blown up.
Alright, well, let's work a price out. What do you want for the thing? All right, on the road again. I feel like we had non-stop traveling. We had Portland, and then immediately had Seattle, and then immediately had Arizona. Now it's Seattle again. We got back from Arizona yesterday. I should probably sell the trailer. I am buying too many cars right now. Oh damn, you weren't lying about it being clean, bro. This thing looks good.
Dude, it's perfect. Everything that's been done to it, I've done it all myself. And
That's awesome.
original owner, so got a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into it.
That looks really good.
Yeah, man, I fucking love this car. Like I said, dude, I really don't want to sell it, but I feel like we're going into an economic crisis soon. Interior's like, it's all like brand new. It's a little bit dirty, but
Yeah.
there's like really no damage or anything to it. I got parts. I got some stuff back there, and then in the trunk, I kind of packed some more stuff in there as well.
Okay.
So this is just stock shit. Some trim pieces back here, because I kind of just I was planning on just leaving this gutted. So I put the spare in there, all that bullshit. The mat, and then just interior pieces.
Yeah.
Wastegate springs. There's the oil pickup and baffle.
Okay.
And then just stock engine parts, and that's pretty much it. And then this is for the front bumper.
Gotcha. Okay.
And I have a zip tie with all the clips and stuff. A couple broke when I took it off, so you probably just have to replace that. So the car was Florida car. So I took the plates off because that's what you're supposed to do. They don't transfer over.
Okay. Did you just move up here then, or?
Yeah, it's the engine bay.
Nice.
My parts list should be pretty accurate to everything on here. I think the only thing that might be different is I put back the original map
sensor.
Yeah, map sensor. I'm pretty sure the tuner fucked this car.
Who tuned it?
Down in Florida.
Okay. Are you just like cruising around when it knocked, or?
Yeah.
Really? That sucks, dude.
I saw my access port, feedback knock and all that start to creep, and all of a sudden it was like 15, 16. I was like, yeah, we're done.
Yeah.
We're done. So I just turned around, took it back home. The car was, after I did all this stuff, the car's only had maybe 500 miles on it.
Sucks. Mind if I fire it up?
Yeah.
And you said you had like the stock lights and all that shit too?
Yeah, I got it all inside.
Cool. What about like the hood? And
yeah, I got that.
Nice.
I don't have the stock wing. That's the only thing I don't have.
Sounds good.
Sounds really good.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Now you did a good job on this car, dude. It's got a lot, like I buy a lot of cars and pretty much all of them are just claps.
Yeah.
This thing's nice. This is really nice.
I see your stuff. I follow you on Instagram. Really love that Evo you got. My blue one.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's probably my favorite car you've done. And,
I actually sold that, unfortunately.
Really?
But yeah. I like to build cars more than I like driving them. So as soon as they're done being built, a lot of times they just sit.
The car, I put everything into it, so like you're definitely not getting anything that's a pile of shit.
Oh yeah, I can tell. Like how clean it is and whatnot. I can tell you did good work on it for sure.
And you know, it's frustrating after I listed that and got tore up on Facebook Marketplace, man. The only blemish is I got just a little bit of rash there. I forgot to do my my gas cap, and there was like a little bit of chafe in there.
Okay.
I kind of tried to get it buffed out as best I could myself.
Yeah.
Obviously where the license plate was here.
Yeah, okay.
But
do you have the stock wheels?
no, I sold them. Dude, nobody has these, man. The company that made those decals went out of business. So, yeah, I moved here and I packed all this stuff. So my first mod was taking these out because I hate these.
Yeah, perfect.
And the other one's definitely in there.
We are stacking up the VAs these days. I feel like I now have 2 black VA STIs. Bobby's got her VA. This car is so clean. It's so damn clean. I rarely buy nice cars. This one is also rod knocked, as you guys heard, which, you know, it is what it is. I'm used to building these CB engines. Very rare to find an actual a car that someone actually took care of, and it excites me. So I'm gonna get this thing loaded up in the trailer. It's got all the stock parts for it, or most of them, majority of the factory parts, which is very nice. I'm stoked. It'd be hard to start a channel now, I feel like, with everybody trying to do it. It's still possible. Yeah.
Media did it well with that, his whatever that fucking shit is.
That 600, yeah, he's killing it, dude. It's awesome to see other people around here. Like, there's not many. There's like Josh Bader in Spokane, myself, and then media. It's actually kind of funny. We were just in Arizona. I bought the same car down there. It's identical black VA STI, rod knocked as well. I've been looking for one, and then all of a sudden both popped up at the same time. I'm like, okay, I'll just buy both. Both were fair deals. So
I don't know if I can be patient and not buy anything else. Probably buy it back, to be honest.
Yeah, it's gonna get a built motor first things first. So
I'm kind of curious, like when you guys get it all done and whatnot, I really want to know what that tune was. I want to know if it was bad.
Bader's gonna tune it, obviously. So
I did 2 pulls at 25 pounds, but at the end I was at 22, which I was already pro tune on the stock turbo at 21 and a half. I
mean, do you have all the data logs from it?
Yeah.
I'm sure you could look at that and see how much detonation there was, and that'll tell you. Like if it was knocked, were you were tuning on E at the time, or pump gas?
So the car's never been tuned on ethanol.
Oh really? Is it too much timing, starting to detonate, and those are detonations hard on bearings as well. All right, my friends, just like that, another dummy clean VA STI is acquired. You're probably thinking I'm going on a Subaru buying streak like I do with Evos, but I'm not. These two just happen to pop up right at the same time. What's up, man? They're not mine, no. Okay. They might be his. I don't live here. I live in Spokane. Okay. Yeah, they might be his though. 2 STIs popped up at the same time, same day, and I committed to buying both of them. So we are gonna head back to Spokane now. We got 2 rod knocked Subarus to fix. We got Bobby's blown turbo STI to fix, and we have 1,000 other Evos to fix. So all of the freaking projects right now. Nice little 9-hour trip by myself today. We are back in Spokane, and I want to get both black VAs together, both rod knocked VAs together. We got the 3 VAs together. We got a stock one. I guess you could consider this full bolt-on. Intake exhaust, intercooler, and a tune. That thing probably makes 300. We got Bobby's car. This is the built one. This car made 618, and I think this car is like 400 wheel. Stock, semi-built, built. And imagine this, all three currently need significant love. 2 motor builds and a new turbo. Never thought we'd have 3 VAs in the shop, but now that we have 3 VAs in the shop, I don't think I'm gonna be buying any more Stubies for a minute. This thing does have quite the significant mod list. Radium dual hanger, ID 1300s, of course the ETS front mount. It's got a Blausch, I wanna say it's a 20G XTR on it. Of course the full exhaust, the titanium ETS intake. Exterior wise, APR lip, APR grill, APR little fog covers, APR canards, some RPF 1s, versus skirts, versus rear little spat things, an APR wing, Subi Speed tails, APR mirrors, a cracked windshield, Subi Speed headlights, carbon, mini battery, headers, equal length headers. The list goes on and on with this build, which is super cool. Fortunato coils. It's got a lot of nice parts on it. And like I said earlier, this is one of the cleanest cars I've ever seen. One of the cleanest cars I've ever bought. I know Bobby does want the headlights and taillights off this thing. I kind of honestly prefer the OEMs anyway. So we may do a little swappy swap here. I'm sure Bobby's gonna want a carbon hood off of one of them, which we have both OEM hoods for both cars, for both of the black VAs. So it's not a big deal there. This one being a Cybon, that one being VIS. Comment down below what you think of the new pickup. This car was quite a bit more expensive than this one here, but of course it's half the miles, it's newer, and it's got way more mods, but both need a motor. One last look at all 3 VAs together. This is almost like the Subaru shop now. Got the FRS, the STI, and 3 STIs here. This is the Stubi shop. The other one is the Evo shop.
Holy crap, this thing's clean. I love it.
It's nice.
This looks sick. Damn. I normally don't like RPF ones, but I like them on this.
I know, I was kind of surprised. They look good. Yeah,
Wow, this looks really good.
it's clean, bro. It's super clean.
This is good. Not bad, not bad. It's pretty sick.
A race, yeah.
This thing's clean, dude.
I know, I'm stoked.
Damn.
What the frick?
What?
I can't wait to steal.
Told you.
Oh my god, that looks so good.
Does that give you a Woody?
It literally looks better than Gary. Wow.
Do you want it?
Yeah, can we trade?
What do you want off of it?
What, the parts?
Yeah.
All of it?
You want the whole car?
Yeah.
Okay, we can swap. I literally don't care. Comment below what's better, Gary, or since I'm keeping this car, we have to name it. What are we gonna name it? Barry?
No. I really need that hood. And the mirrors
We got
and the wing.
Look, we got 2 hoods.
I like that one better.
It's the same hood.
No, they're different.
How? Oh yeah, they are different. Oh, that's a Cybon, that's a VIS. Cybon looks way better. Pretty sick though, yeah?
Yeah, it looks super good. Holy cow.
You've been saying you want a wide body kit for your car? I got one in the back. You want it? Just some nice flares.
I don't like flares.
You don't like flares?
I don't.
These are so clean though.
I know, then you can use them.
I don't want to cut this thing up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys in the next one.